Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this PCB, these are resistors. Here is C, capacitor. If we see on the PCB, the symbol of the component is also capacitor, C728. There is color code marking. If we check this one, it is inductor. Inductor, capacitor, resistor. Let's see the value of this component. 3 band marking. Sometime there is 4 band and sometime there is 5 band. The component ID C, capacitor. This thick band is first band, then second, then third. These two are significant bands. These will denote digit, number. Brown will 1. Then second band black. Black digit is 0. Then third band orange. Multiply with 1000. That means 10,000. This code in picofarad. If you want to convert this code in nanofarad, that time 10 nanofarad. If there is no tolerance, that time it is plus minus 20%. So its value is 10 nanofarad. Set multimeter to capacitance and we will connect across this capacitor. 9.44 nanofarad, that is with tolerance 10 nanofarad. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.